What is going on, Wolfpack? Wait, do you hear that? Yeah, that's the sound of the Wolfpack coming for you. So guys, let's talk about SWP, that's Saitama Wolfpack. As you guys know, we've just completed a video series for the previous 2021 event that led to the massive dump and figuring out of the scam that was going behind Saitama for the original project. Now, this project was an homage of sorts, but really it was just an opportunity for the Wolfpack, and that is the people who had invested originally in Saitama to have some opportunity to recover some of those losses, because there were massive and catastrophic losses for a lot of people, and this project is still somewhere out there right now doing what can only be described as weird stuff in the market. So we're going to talk about this. It is my belief, by the way, that, and this would be, to me, a resounding success, but it would be my belief that in the event that SWP could get to just a $20 million market cap, that would be a life-changing sort of moment, I think, for a lot of people, about a 25x from where it is right now. And I think that that would be just a fantastic run, like a fantastic run. And it would help to validate not only the project, but all of the people who had been involved in the old days. Now, is it going to happen here right now while meme coins and altcoins are just bleeding? No, it's not. But it will happen very soon. I'm going to show you real quick on the charts exactly what that looks like, because it's important to know exactly where we are going or where crypto is going. So without further ado, make sure you hit the like button on the way in and let's look at it. All right, first of all, this is the chart. This is the pattern. I just put a little arrow here to show you that it is my belief that 20 million market cap is programmed in right now. We are on this little dip right here through this channel. There should be a third retest up here, so I think we're going to go to a little bit over a penny, probably in very, very short order. Once we get to that penny, then the question is, can we have a breakout? Now, the pairing has not been beneficial to SWP. The reason that SWP is down, by the way, and look, low volume on the day, right? 1,106 in buys, only 600 in sells. So there's a 2-to-1 ratio right now of positive momentum for SWP. And by the way, it's not a lot, but that is, but it's positive. And what did that lead to? Downward pressure. How does that even happen? That's redonkulous, right? However, this is what it is. Solana still continuing its downward trend. Now, what is going on with the broader markets? Basically, the US market is a taker at this, and they are bleeding crypto dry. They're a little upset with what's going on with the Trump administration. At the time of this, the market was pretty much dead even on the day, and the Dow Jones was starting a little bit of a pump to lead off our day. And then Trump announced more tariffs against Europe this time. So what happened there? The markets immediately started dumping into another Trump dump. So, you know, and by the way, I don't think any of that lasts for very long. There's a lot of this is just grandstanding and posturing between world leaders trying to figure out a path forward. But the point is, as soon as there's a rally from Solana, and Solana is no longer being choked out by this administration, then it should have a crazy run. If it has a crazy run, everything attached to it gonna have a crazy run too. So, you know, I mean, just to consider, 50% of this pairing is based on Solana. If that's the case, then if Solana were to go up 5x right now, SWP would go up 2.5 right now from its current position. So if in fact Solana, which I think is going to do 1,200 in the bull market, if Solana does 1,200, then we're talking about an easy 5x from Saitama just for doing nothing more than having a little bit of patience right now. So real opportunity here, in my estimation, for not only a breakout of Solana, but everything along with it will start to go crazy. And once people start to see SWP go crazy, then let me point out another reason why you should be incredibly bullish. All right, guys, some of you have seen this before, but this is the money flow. This yellow line right here, this is the global liquidity index. This big move right here is this big move right here in crypto. This big dump right here is this downward momentum in crypto. This little spike and dump right here, I think, is this final leg shaking out, and then we're going to get into a tiny consolidation pattern for a short period of time. And then the global liquidity flow is going way, 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 way up. Now, to illustrate that. This line right here that matters. And what this is that is the flow of liquidity into the global markets. When that happens, just like over here, when that happens, you get these crazy moves from cryptocurrency. So I think we're due for a crazy move from cryptocurrency. The question at this point is this right here the same as this right here? And are we almost at the bottom? Is there more downward momentum, or is there not more downward momentum? Now, if there is no more, then we're going to take off from where we are right now, and you can get a nice big flow of capital back into this market, and it will get a little bit crazy. And by the way, the reason that it doesn't match up entirely, it'll never match up entirely, but as you can see right here, if you were just kind of doing it that way, then you can see like that was a big move that happened last time. And this next move, again, going to be another big one, create another top over here. But we got to get through the Trump administration and their outward threats that continue to happen all over every market. Every market is feeling the pain of the Trump administration, what they're doing on the world stage. So how bad will it get? Don't know. Will it be over soon? Think so, but I'm not sure. A lot of these people are fighting back on tariffs, so we'll see how it applies to us. But I think ultimately you should be incredibly bullish on SWP as an asset. Also, there's a new video out, and it's got 27,000 views already. If you haven't watched it, I would encourage you to go watch it. It's Donald Trump and Elon Musk talking about SWP and maybe putting it in the strategic reserve. Now, is that real? Of course. It's a cartoon, guys. We're having fun with the cartoons. You're going to see some more celebrity-based cartoons over the next couple of days, weeks, and months, and I think we're going to have a lot of fun with it, and I think that, by the way, will lead and attract people to come. Now, the previous video that was done before this one right here has 153,000 views already. That's the type of engagement that SWP brings to you. So if you're looking for a crypto that has the attention in the attention economy, it's going to be SWP. If it's undervalued, this is under $1 million market cap. So it is my belief that this thing is going to go absolutely crazy. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, but get yourself a bag right now of SWP. I don't think it's going to let you down, but I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own risk assessment and decide for yourself whether this is the investment for you. It's not financial advice, but I'm always right.